All right, so this is one of my trial ones. Now I just gotta make sure I don't make these little scratch marks. But wow, I'm surprised that it worked. Yay! So now I have another one here that I had taken off. You guys saw me put this one here together yesterday. I didn't really care for it because it's the one that I forgot to put the white in the center. So what I did, I went ahead and put some silver on the back, like that, which I kind of like. And then on this side, I'm gonna put black on this top piece, I think. And then on top of that, I'm gonna actually put this butterfly on it. And that'll really stand out really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm just gonna try and see how it comes out. So I am gonna use the UV resin. And I've got, this is the one here that I use. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in my measuring cup. And we're just gonna go ahead and try this, see how it works. This is all an experiment. So I've got my black up here. Give that a shake. Actually, I'm gonna use this other black here. Oh, I can get it out of my, oh, that's weird. There we go. Use this black right here. That one I got from Walmart. It seems to be a little bit darker than the other blacks that I've had. And I'm gonna go ahead and give that a stir, see what it comes out like. Can you guys see that okay? Put that here. And this is UV resin. So it's gonna be a UV rays, my UV light that I'm gonna use to cure it. See, this black comes out nice. But I noticed that dark colors has a hard time curing with the UV rays because it's so, the black is so black that it doesn't tend to go through it. So I'm just gonna do a light coat. Just a thin little coat over it. Okay, I don't have to stir it that much. So I'll put you guys in the center and I'll go ahead and pour it over here in the center. See how black that is. Okay. And now I just got to kind of work it around to the edge. Get it pretty close as I can. Make my way all the way. And the thing that's good about this resin is you don't have to worry about cure time right now, like you do with the 2-part resin. You can play around with this a little bit, just as long as you don't have a UV light on it. Okay, so that's that. And I can keep it in this container too. I've noticed that I can keep it in overnight and it still won't cure, which is pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna give this a quick light here, get all these bubbles out of here. Like that. Okay, you got a little bit more resin right here on the edge. Right there. Oh, missing a little bit here too. It tends to move inward. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I am gonna go ahead and get my UV light. Got it right here. Place it over here without it touching it. And I'm gonna do 60 seconds for now. We'll let that cure. The light will just go out when it's done. And it says done. So now I'm gonna do 90. Put that in there. But yeah, see all the little pretty little hearts in here? I like these. I got these from Temu. They're so cute. There's a package of 10. And it was like stupid cheap. It's so cute. I like it. All right, we'll see how that comes out. And then we'll go ahead and put that on with a real super light clear resin on it. I'm making it. All right, let's take a look at this, see how it turned out. And get my stick here. Yep, that's good. All right, now we'll put this on top. I'll get it right in the center. Bring that down a bit. Let me stand up so I can see what I'm doing here. Bring that down just a little, right there. How's that look, guys? Bring it up a bit. There we go, how's that? Now I'm gonna put a clear coat of resin on top of that. And this is what I'm gonna use. So we'll see how this goes. I really like the way it looks. So we'll start in the center, work our way around. There we go. That's probably enough there. I used to had, that one's starting to go to the edge. I just don't want it to fall off the edge. Uh-oh. Major malfunction. See, that's what. Alrighty. So I got most of that resin off that I had put on there. So I'm not going to put as much as on as I did. I just wanted a little bit. I just overdid it. So we'll go ahead and try that again. Move that around. Okay, let me get my stick. I like using my stick so I can go around the edge. I can see it a little better going around the edge there. And then once I get it to the edge, I'll put a little bit more on top. I'll just slowly add more. There we go. A little bit more here. There we go. I think I might have it. I think I might have it. There's a little spot here. All right, how's that look? Does that look good? You see little marks here? Put this to the very edge. Get a little squirt of resin up here. There. All right. I like that. I'm gonna let that go like that. And let it rest for a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with my lighter. And then we'll go ahead and cure it. Bubbles out of here. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna get my light and go ahead and do a slow cure first. We'll do 60 seconds. Okay, that's a 30. Now I'm gonna do 90. Let that cure. Come on, 90 seconds. It always tends to take a long time. So at least I have some extra black resin where I can play around with stuff. All right, let's see how it worked. Ta-da! There it is. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Look at that. Wow, I like it. Turned out really, really good. And there's the back. And then there's the front, and look at the sides. See that? And I can always change that and put like a silver paint around the edge. Oh, that looks so good. I really like it. Let me know what you guys all think of my comeback on my coaster. Oh, I like it. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.